Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and kittens, welcome back to the podcast, and thank you. So we're getting into something a little bit off the beaten path out here as far as the crypto world goes, and I hope you guys can indulge me in this, because today we are stepping into the wide world of psychic money and how it ties into cryptocurrency. Now, we're not talking about fortune tellers or crystal balls. This is about the mind games behind what makes money feel real. If you're into crypto, psychology, or if you just love a good brain teaser, please stick around, hit the like button. I started doing that now. And let's just kind of dive into it. So, what is psychic money? It's not a technical term. It's my way of describing the mental value that we give to money. Now, I want you to think about it here. A dollar bill is just paper, right? If it's worth something because we all believe it is, then that makes it real. That is psychic money, the psychological trust, emotion, and perception that we pour into cryptocurrency. Gold, it's valuable because we say so. A paycheck, it's exciting because it means freedom. It's all in our heads, but it drives everything. Now, traditional money, like dollars or euros, relies on this psychic power big time. Governments and banks back it, sure, but it's our collective faith that keeps it alive. Have you ever noticed how a $100 bill, how it feels more real than a single dollar bill? That's the psyche at work. Studies show that people spend smaller bills faster because they feel less valuable. Our brains, they play tricks, turning paper into power. But what happens when that trust shakes? Like during inflation or a banking crisis, the psychic vibe crumbles and money starts feeling fake. Now, enter cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, you name it. Crypto as a whole is new psychic game. It's not backed by gold or governments. It's backed by code, math, but most importantly, it's backed by belief. I want you to think about Bitcoin. In 2009, it was worth nothing. And today, it's sitting right over there on that chart. Over $80,000. Now, why? Because people decided that it's valuable. That's psychic money on steroids. Crypto's value comes from scarcity. Like only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist, and the hype of a decentralized dream. It's less about utility and more about what we think it could be. But here is where it gets wild. Crypto's psychic value is an emotional roller coaster. When Bitcoin hits an all-time high, FOMO kicks in, fear of missing out, and everyone is suddenly a believer, and it feels like the future. When it crashes, doubt creeps in. Is it a scam? A bubble? Your brain's telling you it's worthless, even if the blockchain says otherwise. Traditional money, the psychic stability comes from centuries of trust. Crypto, it's a teenager, volatile, rebellious, and fueled by memes. Just look at Dogecoin. Started as a joke, now worth billions because some people tweeted about it. One of them was Elon Musk. He may have mentioned it from time to time. Now, this psychic vibe affects how we use crypto. With dollars, you spend without a second thought. Coffee, groceries, whatever. But crypto, people hoard it. Why? Because its psychic value feels fragile. If Bitcoin might double next year, let's just pretend it does, spending it today feels like throwing away a winning lottery ticket. That's why crypto transactions are still mostly trading, not buying anything. The mind says even if the tech says it's a mental tug of war between fear and greed, it doesn't matter. So, could cryptocurrency change how we think about money? Maybe. Imagine a world where you trust code more than banks, where psychic money isn't tied to a flag or a vault, but to a network. Stablecoins like USDT, USDC try to mimic the dollar's steady vibe, while Bitcoin pushes digital gold narrative. If crypto gets easier to use, like with faster payments or mass adoption, our brains might start treating it like cash, not a treasure chest. The shift could redefine psychic money for generations. But here's the bottom line. Money, fiat or crypto, lives in our heads. Psychic money is why a crumbled bill buys lunch and why Bitcoin buys dreams. Crypto's challenging the old rules, but it's still a wrestling match with our psychology, with our trust, greed, hope, all of it. Now, will it become the new normal, or will it stay a speculative sidekick? That's up to us, and that's how we feel about it. That's what is going to determine it. So I know this is a little bit different than what we normally do over here. These are considered evergreen videos. Somebody put me on. These are the timeless things. But this is where the psychology of money, is what I've been able to use this entire time to actually be moderately successful over here in the crypto world. It's moderate enough that I've retired from it. But let's just, let's call that that's that for today, folks. What do you think? Does crypto's psychic power excite you, or does it freak you out? Now, drop your thoughts below. Because if this is a mind-bending topic and this really clicked for you, then let's talk about it. And be sure and gotta do it, man. I ain't doing it, but I gotta do it. Be sure and smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll catch you on the next one. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or observations, Scott at thepodocasts.com. I'll be sure and get them answered for you. And just think about it, man. Just think about it. So until next time, guys, please stay safe. Please be smart with your money, and we will see you.